Well, hey everybody, I got one of my first Amazon Prime Day purchases. I bought me a new camera because right now I've been using my iPhone or my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra to do all my video shooting. So hopefully I can kind of level up a little bit. So I got me the Sony a6700 ASPSC or AS whatever. Not a full frame camera. Got me a small rig cage for it as well. But been doing this channel for a couple months now, and really, really learned a lot about me, a lot about filming, lighting, all this other stuff. I feel like trying to get better, but you know, I've learned there's some really good folks out there. I got a good couple people following the channel regularly, and I do really appreciate y'all especially. Seem to be always commenting on the videos. I couldn't thank you enough for watching. My goal is to get better, obviously. My goal is to convey knowledge or information to help people make better purchases, and especially right now with everything going on economically, I really do think the budget side is something that we really need to look at hard and see what we do and do not need. You know, I am one that always goes for the higher end iPhone, the higher end tablet. It's just me. I'm just a tech snob that way. But I do see how those, like the ON tablets, can really fill a spot that, you know, you don't have to spend a lot of money for, and you can kind of, you know, get it for a purpose and do that. One of the things that I've always really enjoyed in my life is photography. I love looking at photos and seeing people that, you know, really put effort, you know, into not just snapping a picture, but, you know, having a story with that picture. And that's really something that I want to get in toward, you know, especially with these videos, to be able to edit the video better. I think you know, obviously, other than me, the greatest weakness of my channel obviously is me, but editing videos is a lot more challenging than I thought it was. You really, you know, the planning and the effort that goes in behind these videos, I'm not doing, you know, good enough. I need to do better. I'm going to slow down a little bit, try to make better quality videos instead of just trying to throw stuff out there. Not, you know, I guess more or less kind of throwing spaghetti at the wall. I want to kind of stop that, and I want to do better. I want to do better for you, and I want to do better for me. So we got, kind of don't know where that came from, but you know, it is what it is. So we got this A67. So in case you haven't ever, you know, got one of these cameras or anything like that, I wanted to unbox it and kind of show you what it comes with, because I don't even know what all it comes with. I did get the one with the kit lens. This one during Prime Day was $14.98. Before that it was $15.98. Most of the time it's running around $16, $17.98. But I really wanted a really good camera, and you know, Amazon Prime Day kind of come through. So let's unbox this thing and see what it comes with, and then hopefully I can level up my game. So let's check it out. Alright guys, thank y'all for indulging me before. So let's move that out of the way, just get out of the way. So again, always, if you use a knife, you always want to cut away from you. Anybody that watches this video, if you're going to know anything about me, you're going to know, if you don't take anything else away from these videos, is you're going to know how to use a knife. And that is always cutting away from you. Always cutting away from you. So let's pop this thing. There we go. Let's open this thing up and see what we have. All right. So you know, usually when I get the books and stuff, I mean they got all kind of stuff. But you know what? I'm going to do a little different this time, because this is an expensive camera. This is probably one of the most expensive purchases I'll make. It's probably one of the most expensive electronic purchases I've made in a few years. So I'm going to set these to the side. Just gotta put them to the side. All right. So here we go. We got us a strap, Sony strap, Alpha. We got, I think this should be the lens, the little rubber piece. Yes, hey, there we go. The little rubber piece for the lens, for the viewfinder. So this should be the as we used to say it down south, us country folk, this should be the battery. So there we go. We got the battery. Now these have the FZ100, the NP-FZ100, if you can make that out. These are the bigger batteries that a lot of people are really high on, because it is obviously bigger. So looks like the last thing is the actual camera with the lens already pre-installed. So that's all that's in the box. So one of the things that, real quick, look at this. Made for iPhone and iPad. That's interesting. I guess they expect the Apple folks to be the main connoisseur of this. I don't know, but we shall see. All right, so the paper kind of feels almost cloth-like. Would be the best way I can describe it. Like this. That was just a piece of paper. The lens hood thing, or the viewfinder. This kind of feels the same. This is almost like a feltish kind of paper feel to it. So let's look at this camera. Look at that. It is nice. I don't know the weight. Maybe we'll do a video later about the weight or whatever of this, but this has got a good, I had a Nikon D, was it a D50 or D something back in the day, and this is extremely, or a lot less in weight. This should, yes it does flip around, close up, look at that. Check that out, that is nice. Let's see. What do you gotta do? I guess you probably hit this button right here, and then I should, twist it off. And there's your sensor. Now one of the main things that I got this one for was because it actually has a sensor, or a shutter, a physical shutter. I really wanted that. I thought, I like that. But it has, these little things might be annoying. But, I'm not going to get into turning it on yet. I'm going to mess with it myself. But that's wow, look at that. This lens is a 16 by 50, 3.5 to 5.6 aperture. And then on this side you got the SD card slot right there. Can you see it? And then down here you have a micro HDMI, which a lot of people complain about breaking. You break those off in there a lot, so that's why I kind of got the cage, wherever the cage is at, kind of to hold that in place. Headphone jack on that side. Well, I guess I gotta close that back. And then nothing on this side. It's got a really good grip. Really good grip. And there's my battery. I am super, looks like you actually have to toggle those switches to close it. That's interesting. But I am super excited about this camera. I am super excited about the channel. I'm super excited about this journey that we're on. Real quick, another thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to start a series on health and tech. I have a few things, being myself almost double nickel, 55 years old, there's things that I use in my health. You know, I've been doing the same job for 29 years, and that's a long time in manufacturing. And there's certain things that I do to keep my health going. There's apps that I use now, and some other tech items that I really want to I want to get into. And you know, I want to take you on this journey with you, because I want everybody to do good. I want everybody to do better. And you know, if anybody can get anything out of what I'm doing and help them, I mean, I think that's a win no matter what. So, and again, I say so too much. I don't know why, but anyway, I'll work on that. But until next time, so we're going to, and I said it again right there, so I'm going to put everything together, and I'm going to play with this a little bit, and then hopefully we can start getting some better videos for you. I really do appreciate all y'all, every single person here that watches these videos. I appreciate you so much. I thank you from the bottom of my heart to give me an opportunity to do what I'm doing with this on the side. Obviously, this is not my main gig, but to be able to even do this in the first place is a great honor, and I really appreciate it, and I am looking forward to the future, because we have to move forward, and we're gonna move forward, and I appreciate y'all coming along and ride for me. So I guess right now, until next time, we'll see how this camera works out.